Hi, I'm Angela Preston, and I'm Sterling's Senior Vice President and Counsel for Corporate Ethics and Compliance. Today's topic is EEOC guidance on COVID-19 testing in the workplace. The EEOC has recently updated its guidance on how to maintain a safe workplace and yet still comply with anti-discrimination laws in the midst of a global pandemic. So I want to hit just a few highlights of that recent guidance. First of all, the EEOC has clarified that COVID-19 testing for active virus can be used to determine whether or not employees may enter the workplace. The EEOC has said that active virus testing, temperature screens, active symptom screening all meet the criteria under the ADA to determine whether or not a person can safely enter the workplace. One caveat to that is that you do need to take into account other anti-discrimination laws, and if an employee requests a reasonable accommodation due to a pre-existing condition or some other known disability, they may be entitled to accommodations in that process. The next thing I want to point out that's very important is that the EEOC clarified that antibody testing does not meet the legal standard of job relatedness under the ADA, and therefore may not be used to determine access to the workplace at this time. So that's really important to understand. The other point of clarification is that the EEOC did specifically call out that employers can use COVID-19 testing in pre-hire situations. So if you have candidates and you're doing your pre-employment screening, if someone has active virus or is showing active symptoms of the virus based on your screening standards, it may be acceptable under the ADA and under the EEO laws to rescind the offer or perhaps delay the start date in order to accommodate if that's a path that you would choose. So finally, the last point I want to make is the EEOC made it a point to clarify that certain conditions that may make you predisposed to the virus, such as age or a health condition or pregnancy, does not mean that you can exclude those populations in your return to work plan, and that you need to be very careful not to have anti-discriminatory policies with respect to pregnant individuals or other characteristics that might invoke other anti-discrimination laws. So these are just a few of the highlights of the EEOC guidance. There's a lot more detail and information on our website and in our recent blog post on this topic. So continue to tune in for more information. Stay safe out there and have a great day. Thanks.